When you do this kind of question, you just draw lah. Okay. Don't worry about it. Just draw first. So this guy, you have say anything less than 5 is equals to anything more than 11. So it means it has to be symmetrical about the mean. So the mean is easy 5 plus 11 divided by 2. Okay, it has to be symmetrical. So this will be 8. The subsequent draw to scale. So what you do is the mean is 8. This is 3. Then this is 13. Okay, what you realize is this is that 3 to 8 is 5 units away. 8 to 3 is also 5 units away. So this will also give you the same length. Symmetry. Okay. So if this kind of question you'll see in prelims, confirm one. If you are stuck, just draw it out. Be careful. See the distance between them. You draw it out. You see the distance here, and likely you will be able to get it lah. So essentially, if they're symmetrical, so it means px less than 3 is equals to px bigger than 13 lah. So you just let this guy be a. Alright. So if this is a, this area here, this is also a. So hence px more than 13 is also a. So it means that px less than 13 is 1 minus a. Okay. It's all by symmetry lah. So this guy is the 1 minus a. Okay, the area here. So once you get that already, what you can do is you just write this down, this equation. 4px less than 3 is equals to px less than 13. So px less than 3 is 4a, 1 minus a, 5a equals to 1, a equals to 1/5. Okay, so meaning to say px less than 3 is equals to 1/5. So in this case here, pz 3 minus 8 over sigma is equals to 1/5. Just inverse norm. Inverse norm 1/5, right? 1/5. 0, 1 left. Paste it. Get -3. This is -5 over sigma. Negative 0.8416. So you pick -5 divided by answer. 5.94. There you go. Sigma mu is 8. There you go. Yep, that's how you do it.